South Dakota Gold Company honors this tradition by producing authentic Black Hills gold of unsurpassed quality and distinctive designs. Research and development is of major importance at the South Dakota Gold Company. We employ 6 full-time designers who are constantly creating new product designs to meet the demands of the fashion-conscious consumer of the 90s. The South Dakota Gold Company is the acknowledged leader in the industry for new designs and merchandising aids. We would like to take you on a tour of our manufacturing facility, where the original hand craftsmanship is combined with modern technology. Ideas are first conceived on the drawing board. These concepts are then transformed from paper into wax models by skilled artisans. These wax models are invested into plaster molds. The wax is burned out, leaving a cavity, which is then used to create a metal master. This master is hand detailed, polished, and perfected. The completed metal master is now used to make rubber molds. These rubber molds are then injected with wax. After each wax is hand inspected and cleaned, they are loaded onto trees. These trees are then invested in stainless steel flasks. And the wax is then burned out, leaving a cavity in the plaster mold. Now the space once filled by wax may now be filled with gold. Skilled workers know how to bring out the luster of the metal. Any worker in the operation may reject any piece that does not meet quality standards. After each cleaning involving chemicals or detergents, a final cleaning with live steam ensures that no residue of any cleaning agent remains on the product. The intricate leaves and grapes of various shapes and designs are produced by stamping them in a die and punch operation from tricolor gold strips. The tricolor effect is achieved by alloying gold with other metals. This produces leaves and grape clusters of greater uniformity and surface smoothness that cannot be achieved casting. Since 3 colors of gold are used in each piece, each color of components must be cast or stamped separately. South Dakota Gold has virtually eliminated hand soldering, during which oxidation discolors the piece, requiring cleaning and acid bath. We use a process of tacking, which is microelectric spot welding, to initially assemble the parts of each piece. After tacking, a metered drop of paste containing powdered gold solder is applied to each point where a permanent bond is required. The pieces are then placed on a conveyor belt, on which they travel through a hydrogen soldering oven. The atmosphere in the oven is controlled and oxygen-free. No oxidation can occur, so no fire scale is deposited, and the pieces exit the oven as clean and polished as they entered. The only change is that they are now permanently soldered together, with our lifetime guarantee that if a soldered joint or any other workmanship ever fails, the piece will be repaired or replaced. After assembly, the pieces receive one of several polishings they require. They are then sent to the engraving department. Work here begins with wriggling. This applies a frosted or Florentine finish to the leaves and butterfly wings by working a piece against a high-speed vibrating blade, producing a rich look to contrast with the smooth polished parts. After wriggling, the finish is finely textured, and while it is appealing, it lacks flash. The needed brilliance is produced by hand-engraved bray cuts, which are placed to match the natural veins in the leaves of more traditional designs and in the wings of our innovative butterfly designs. Both the butterfly and the extremely popular pink roses are South Dakota Gold Company's pioneered designs. In our gem setting department, stones are first checked for quality and size before being matched to specific orders. Then the precious and semi-precious stones of our regular and Gemstar lines are carefully set by skilled stone setters to enhance the beauty of the various styles in gold available from South Dakota Gold Company. After gem setting, final polishing, and final cleaning, the pieces receive a careful final inspection. The pieces are then placed in quality jewelry boxes for shipment throughout the United States and abroad. The legend lives. For today, the South Dakota Gold Company continues the handcrafted tradition of the beautiful, authentic Black Hills gold jewelry. This, combined with modern-day technology and innovative new ideas, makes South Dakota Gold Company the leader and sets the standard that all jewelry companies strive to achieve.